Hey there, green thumbs? Today, we're going to dive into the world of gardening and talk about 12 crops that are perfect to start growing in April. Let's get started. 1. Radishes. These little gems are a great choice for early spring planting. Fast-growing and easy to harvest, radishes are a great addition to any garden. 2. Lettuce, a cool season crop. Lettuce is a perfect choice for April planting. It thrives in the milder temperatures and can be harvested in about 60 days. 3. Spinach, another cool season crop. Spinach enjoys the cooler weather and is ready to harvest in 45 days. 4. Green beans, a warm season crop. Green beans can be started indoors in April and transplanted outside when the weather warms up. 5. Cucumbers, a warm season crop. Cucumbers can be started indoors in April and transplanted outside once the weather gets warmer. 6. Squash, a heat-loving vegetable. Squash can be started indoors in April and transplanted outside when the weather gets warmer. 7. Beets, a cool weather crop. Beets can be planted in April and yield tasty roots after about 50 days. 8. Bean seeds. Plant these seeds outside this month to start harvesting your own beans throughout summertime. Remember though, check your local frost dates before planting outdoors to ensure any last frost has passed for your area. 9. Broccoli seeds. Plant these outdoors this month for a fall harvest. Just remember to check your local frost dates beforehand. Broccoli is hardy down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, that's -6 Celsius for our international friends. 10. Onions. Start these from seed this month indoors for a fall harvest or direct sow now for a spring harvest next year. Just keep an eye on those pesky onion maggots. 11. Potato seeds. Plant these this month for a fall or spring harvest next year. Just remember to use certified disease-free seeds to avoid any issues down the line as they grow bigger than most people think. Onions are more susceptible than most people think, so keep an eye on those pesca.